Hi everybody, thanks for joining me today on my channel. So today we're going to start putting together some of these process videos for the pages that we put together after we tore down the 2 paper pads. So today's, I think most of this is from Jen Hatfield's the Hey Hello project pad and not the other one that we broke down. And I went through some old photos and I found these. They are of my daughter and then her little friend who we were babysitting. I had put those little foam hair rollers in their hair. So I thought this would be really cute with this floral paper and this text paper. So when I'm looking at these, not really sure what I want to do here. What can we come up with? So I know I want to cut the branding strips off. Now I did go through and pull out quite a few embellishments, just random things that I thought would go with the layouts. So hopefully we can get something cute going together. Now I am on my lunch hour, so hopefully I can get this done in the 30 minutes. If not, I'll just come back and finish this after work here. I'm thinking I want to use this as our background. And let's see, what else do we want to do here? I want to try and get all of the, for some of the, I don't know how you guys are. I know a lot of people like doing one picture layouts, but this is for my everyday in my album kind of stuff. And for me, I tend to like, if I can get multiple photos on a layout, I prefer that because I'm now on to 25 years of scrapbooking and my stash of albums is getting bigger and bigger. And I really have a hard time like letting go of photos. I like to have them scrapbooked. I mean, I could probably just scrapbook these 2 photos of the girls and it would be cute. But their little looks of when they were kind of doing their side angles is also adorable because they were showing their rollers. And actually what I could do is if I leave these the size and cut these down to maybe 3-inch wide on each of those, I could do more of like a grid. So let's try doing that. As we're talking, inspiration came. Let's see what we can do here. So yeah, I can get this down with 3-inch. And that way you're seeing each of the girls with their little side profile with their little curlers in their hair. And let's get Cassidy here. And what's scary is these girls are now in their 30s and have families of their own and have grown up. They're not little anymore. But it's fun getting them into the albums now that they're, you know, when I started, I know I've probably told this before, but when I started scrapbooking, you know, when it was 25 years ago, I kind of started in the middle of not really having any starting point, you know. So when we go to a Creative Memories party, I kind of started with more current photos. And then I have stretched it out a little. So let me see. I think I want my daughter up top. And she's looking that way. So I think I'm going to put it like this. I'm thinking I want a mat like a square. Then if I put them here, I can put her there. Maybe that will work. Like that. Okay, we're not going to overthink too much. And then I'll mat it on the floral. All right, let's go ahead and start gluing it down. And I want to kind of give it a little bit of a wider border. And these have been in boxes for so long. You know, they might be simple because this is just an everyday fun little photo of the girls being, you know, I was being silly while I was babysitting them, or Cassidy, or Cassie. But So I don't have to go and have the magazine quality layout, but being able to get them into an album and not in a box, I think is more important, because again, these are just cute snapshots of their childhood. And back, this would have been done probably in probably around 1990. I'm still using film at that point, not using digital. And so these, I don't have a lot of candid shots nowadays. Between Pinterest and giving parents ideas of photos they can take, YouTube, just different medias, Instagram, parents nowadays have so many ideas of how to document their kids. And for us, you know, it was so expensive to be able to go and even just take photos and get it developed. I remember growing up, my mom and dad having a drawer full of film that sat there undeveloped, because if you had a choice between spending $10 developing a roll of film or going and buying dinner for the family of 6, you chose to eat. So, yeah, we're very blessed. So now to be able to get these into the album, to me, is so much more important. I think I'm going to cut this to 3 inches. And I'm just going to use it as a band, but I want to go and maybe cut 1 inch off so it's a little bit smaller underneath. This is just kind of a basic go-to design for me. I think I had seen Chamel do something similar. And so if you're wanting to do a quick layout, this is a great design. You're taking a busy paper and you tone it down by matting a solid on top of it, and then you ground it by having the mat at the bottom. And now we're going to have cute pictures in the album. And I'm just trying to make sure it looks like it's even here. So I'm just going to tack this down. And then we can go on to embellishing. All right. I think the other thing oops, that is really crooked. I think the other thing I really like about this too is the fact that these papers were sitting in paper pads, and unless I specifically went in there, they weren't getting onto layouts either. And now by tearing that paper pad down and making page kits, I'm able to get them in the album. Now I'm still not to the level of tearing all my paper pads down. I can't do that. I still like that they're still kind of coordinated. But when they get low, like these are, it's kind of nice to be able to get them into something. Now, I have this really nice scallop punch, and I'm thinking I have that glitter paper. I'm thinking we're going to go and glitter it up a little. If I don't like it, I don't have to use it. But let's go ahead and punch out 3 of them. And kind of use these for my building clusters. Sorry. Okay, so there's those 3. And let's see what we can do with that. So maybe like right here's, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for kind of like what you call like dead space or blank space. Like there's the couch. I still want to show the couch. This is my 1980s couch. A lot of us had in the 80s. It's fun to see it in a photo. I would not want to see it in my living room anymore, but being able to show it still shows what my decorating was when I was younger. So maybe like right here. So I think I've got a good, and I can put the title maybe up here. So let me get rid of my scraps. I like the Just You and Me and You Go Girl is kind of cute. And Besties, because they were besties. Let's see. Yay, 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 you on my mind, love ya. You got this, sending hugs your way. Happy birthday, feel better. Nope. Friends make life sweeter, I like that. So let's pull out the ones that I think I want to use here. Now these may have to go onto let's see. You Go Girl. I think we want this one. I'm just going to use my cutter, oops, to kind of put these on. Besties would definitely want to be used. And I kind of like Just You and Me. I could make that my title. And now I will probably have to go and glue, if I put these on top of the glitter, I may have to go and glue these down just so that they hold. And so friends make life sweeter. Okay, so I think I like those. I do have this, and I'm not seeing anything that looks like hair related. There is some florals that I could do. Let me see if we can get some of these florals on. So we'll go 1, 2, and I'll probably cut the floral off of that little cone. All right, so I got those. What else do I have here? Change is good, better together. Celebrate today. Now, it's nothing celebration. Kind of like the happy. And I think I almost like the tricycle, but I think I have other ones that where they were actually riding their trikes together. We lived in the same condominium, and so the kids would go out in the parking lot and ride bikes together, so I may have to go and pull that out. I don't know if I have any pictures of it though. You know what? Let's just go ahead and throw it on, because I can write about that, you know, or it will remind me of it. And then we have, I want to get some more blue in. So we do have these little buttons. And one of the buttons is blue. So there's 3. And kind of like this Maggie Holmes little banner. I think the colors kind of go with it. That'd be kind of cute. All right, let's see what we can do here. I have to check my time. Okay, I got 5 minutes, so let's see if we can get this on here. So I think I'm going to go ahead and commit to the glitter paper in each of the spots. Oh, the other thing I pulled out was some washi, and I think I'm going to put that on there too. This is some Maggie Holmes, and it just says sunshine, sweet, beautiful. I think this is from Lovely Day. And these are cute little words. I wonder if that would be better up here. All right, so we'll go ahead. I'm not sure where I want that. So we're just going to put this up here. Tuck it underneath. And we'll do a little under here. And I think we'll go this way with it. And glue this down. That. And then we need another one up here. I think this one I might tuck. And have it under. And then have the washi go above it. Like this. So now I have my 3 places I can build from. Now, I do have this, which is from Echo Park, and it's got a lot of the colors in it that I want to pull in. So maybe we can put a small piece of it below the word washi. And maybe I'll tear it. Tuck that there. Put this here. And one more up above. And again, I'm going to tear it just to give it a little interest and a little bit of a different shape. And we'll stick that right there and tuck it under like that. I like this Friends Make Life Sweeter right there. And like this. Actually, I'm going to pull this down, I think. Let's put Besties right here. We'll put this to the side of it. There. And let's just go with just you and me. Like that. And we'll do a little happy up here. Like right up here. And let's get some florals in here. I think if we can tuck this under. Or do I want to go over a little? I kind of like it over. So put that there. I'm going to put, let's move this Besties over a little, if I can get it off without ruining it. We'll kind of have it tuck with the bicycle and have that go right here. That works. And then we can have the flowers behind the bike kind of tucking out. Now this one we need to cut. still like this. You know what I like? I like it without the banner part. So I'm going to rip the banner part off. Now I like it because it's not hanging low. I like that better. And then I can tuck in the You Go Girl. I think I might do the florals. There we go. And then we just need a little button in each. And a little button here. And a little button, let's put it up here. All right, I kind of like it. It's simple, it was quick. We did it in 30 minutes. And there is one page that went from being in a paper pad to now it will be in a book. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and I will be back probably again tomorrow with another one of these layouts. We have 8 more of these kits to put together that we took apart. So thanks so much for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.